Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Feedly content being delayed by several hours. So why this happens first? Delays usually come from Feedly refresh intervals, not instant, and slow or inactive RSS sources, even the background syncing limits on iPhone and Android, and all filtering delays if using Feedly AI. Okay, so actually, guys, you will need to start by a first quick fix. Okay, and it's the manual refresh feeds. Go and target the feeds that you want to be refreshed, and then just pull down. Okay, just like that. Right, so this forces an immediate check for new articles, as you can see. Also, guys, do really advise you to enable the background app refresh, so if it's off, the updates arrive late. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your phone's settings, open it, and then you will need to get to the background app refresh. How so? You will need just to go with the general option right here, click it, and then you will need to scroll a little bit and go with the background app refresh option. Okay, so it's here, and then you will need to find Feedly between these apps, and then just go and turn that option on. Alright, so turn it on for Feedly. And also, guys, you will need to understand the Feedly sync timing. So Feedly doesn't update instantly, right? So for the free plan, it's a slower refresh intervals. For the paid plan, it's faster, okay? And the delays of minutes to hours can be normal. So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.